Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D. As some of you might already know, guys, Tabby D is pretty well known in the online space, guys. She has been running a digital marketing agency for the past few years, guys, and has helped a ton of people. If you don't, if you want to know a little bit more about Tabby D and what she has accomplished, guys, I do have YouTube videos discussing a little bit more about that, or you can simply just Google her, guys. But this is a pretty easy system to use, guys, because of the autopilot traffic, guys, and that's pretty much what I've been hearing. Because I've only been promoting this for about a week so far, guys. I haven't bought the traffic packages as of yet, guys. Mainly working organically. So that's kind of the way that a lot of people are getting this passive income from this, guys, this lifelong traffic. And of course, we have all the stuff here with no complicated setup, no experience needed, no waiting for results. I would definitely say the setup is not complicated. I would definitely say there's not much experience or tech skills needed, guys. I think there's a little bit of that, but it's fairly easy. And no waiting for results. I think some people aren't waiting for results, guys, but some people are. I will say that results come a lot faster. For what I've been seeing, those results are coming a lot faster in this group than some others I've been seeing. So let's go to the Facebook group, guys, and take a look. All right. So over here, um, so for example, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't buy any of the traffic packages as of yet, guys. Still looking around and seeing other people's experience, guys, because I was a little skeptical coming into this program, guys. So I decided to wait it out and just watch organically and see what's happening. I actually just posted something in the group not too long ago, about 20 hours ago, as you can see. And I asked how well the basically what the average conversion rate is for TabbyD's traffic packages, because I was thinking about getting one soon. And this lady came to me and messaged me actually about half an hour after I posted this. And she mentioned she joined on September 1st, paid $200 for traffic, and got 2 sales from that, guys. Now keep in mind that every sale is $297, guys. So she made 2 sales, guys. She actually made almost $600. Um, yeah, she made almost $600, guys, there. And of course, you'd be subtracting the 200 that she paid for advertising. Of course, that would be 394, guys. 394 profit she made in there. Now, like it says here, I was saying no waiting for results, guys. This lady did wait a few weeks to get results, guys. Um, yeah, so if you open the comments, guys, she waited a few weeks to get results because she got into the program, paid for traffic packages, and had to wait at least uh, 3 weeks before anything happened, guys. So I will say there is some waiting, obviously, just from that post alone. And I have seen people in the group post their feedback on these traffic packages, guys, and they didn't have to wait as long. So I definitely think it is a process where you do need to be patient, guys. But she did make money, guys. She did make money from that package, and I would definitely say that that was worth it, guys. That trade, $200 for pretty much double what she invested coming back. I would definitely say that is a fair trade. Okay, so that was pretty much Tabby D's 10x income program, guys. Now that's how you know how the traffic packages pretty much work. Keep in mind you can promote this organically, guys, if you're not interested in getting the traffic packages. But as you can see here, there's a 365-day money back guarantee, guys. So if you get in the program and for whatever reason decide not to buy the traffic packages, guys, then you can get a 365-day money back guarantee, guys. If you do buy the packages, I'm pretty sure you can get a full refund for the course, but not for the traffic packages, guys. I have to look into that a little bit more. But I think that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. If there's anything else you want me to cover in future videos, just let me know. Comment down below, guys. As usual, I will have links to this page. If you want to check this out for yourself, guys. It's still very, very new. It's only been out for about 2 weeks, as you might already heard if you've seen my previous videos, guys, or if you just already know about the 10x income system. I don't think this will last for long, guys. So if this is something you want to try out, I would definitely recommend sooner than later, guys. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this one. See you all later.